Welcome back guys, welcome back into my YouTube channel Technical Fantasy, and in today's video I'm going to explain you how to put this Samsung mobile into safe mode and how to get back into normal mode. So safe mode off on basically. What is the use of safe mode? In safe mode we can if there is any problem in third party apps, we can boot the phone in safe mode to eliminate the problems of third party apps. Third party apps will become disabled. Now we will see it, but before proceeding further I would like to request you, please subscribe this channel. Thank you. Not wasting much of your time, let us go and see how to enable safe mode, how to put this Samsung mobile into safe mode. So just press this power on button for some long time, then power off, restart, emergency mode off will appear here. In some mobile safe mode will directly appear here, but if it is not coming here, then we can press it for long time, then safe mode will come. If we tap it again, the mobile will go into the safe mode. We tapped it, now it will boot and it will go into the safe mode. Let us wait. It is restarting now. Restarting now. Now the screen has come, and now we can see in the lower corner this safe mode is written. Now safe mode is on. We just put here the unlock it, and now phone is starting again. Safe mode is on. Now third party apps will not work. We can see it here. You see the internet and daily hand, prime video, these are inhibited. Banking operations or third party apps have been inhibited. So if we go here, we can see all the third party apps are inhibited. So now we can eliminate the fault due to which we have to put this mobile into the safe mode. This is how we can put any Samsung mobile into the safe mode. If we want to come out from safe mode, just we have to press this long and restart or power off. Anyone we can do. If we restart, then restart. The phone is now restarting. Phone has now booted, and now we can see that safe mode has gone. It is not coming. Now mobile is in normal mode. We can unlock it by entering the pattern. Phone is now again restarting. So we can see that mobile is in now normal mode, and third party apps are now enabled. So guys, this is how we can put our Samsung mobile into safe mode and we can come out from the safe mode. So this is all about today's tutorial. If you like this video, please share it on the social media platform and please subscribe it so that you can get the updates whenever I post new videos. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot.